Here is a wonderful 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, active suspension, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Don't miss the opportunity to take this vehicle out for a test drive. Our team will give you an outstanding customer experience. Stop in today.